If you are tired of seeing your YouTube short thumbnails be random frames, then I can help you out with that. My name is Avery. I do YouTube videos. Some like this, some a little bit different, but regardless, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead, change and customize YouTube thumbnails for your shorts right now. First thing we want to do is go to YouTube itself. You want to go to your app on your phone. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and go to the bottom right. Click on your icon in order for you to get to your particular profile. You want to scroll down if necessary to go under playlist to your videos. From here, you want to click on Shorts tab and then go ahead and click on the menu on one of your shorts. That'll open up the menu. The next thing you want to do is go to the top left, click on that little pencil to edit your specific thumbnail. From here, what you can do is take your finger and scroll left or right to pick a specific frame that you want your thumbnail to start off with at the base. From here, you can also add text to it by clicking on the A, and this is just going to say how to change a YouTube thumbnail. And from here, something else that you can do is also change up the actual font by going up to the top middle. You can see on mine it says handwriting. I can go ahead and click that. Now I change this to typewriter, to meme, to fun, to light, so on and so forth. You go over to the left, you can scale it in order to make it larger or smaller. Then on the top left, you can make it middle. You can make it on the left side, the right side. Right beside that is the A, in which case you can go ahead and change how it looks. As far as right now it's outlined, I can change it to not have an outline at all, to having a background, to having a transparent background. So those are what you can do in order to put in a customized thumbnail for your YouTube shorts. Now, if you have a actual thumbnail that you want to add on your own, what I would suggest you do is add maybe like a second for the thumbnail into the actual video. That way, when you come here, you can actually click on your actual thumbnail to have your thumbnail be what you want it to be. But either way, once you're done, you can click on the check mark to say okay, and then you want to go ahead and press save. So hopefully that helped you out, and if it did, why don't you leave a like, let other people know that this helped you out. Okay, and I'll say see y'all next time.